Hi, welcome to the podcast for When the Curves Line Up for March 31st, 2025, featuring a Mars-Pollux conjunction and an evening moon. Please see the article that includes diagrams of today's events on the website at whenthecurveslineup.com. Text by Jeffrey L. Hunt. Events are described relative to sunrise and sunset. Find those times for the month in local sources. Before sunrise, brilliant Venus stands above the eastern horizon during bright morning twilight. At 30 minutes before sunup, it is about 5 degrees above the horizon. A pretty crescent moon is in the western sky after sundown, a new moon in the arms of the old moon. The lunar crescent, over 20 degrees up in the west and 10% illuminated, is over 10 degrees to Hamel's upper left and less than 15 degrees to the Pleiades lower right, a star cluster that resembles a tiny dipper. The old moon is shown in the gentle glow of the lunar night. Earthshine, reflected sunlight from Earth's features, softly lights the lunar darkness. Bright Jupiter is nearly 30 degrees to the moon's upper left. The Jovian giant outshines all stars in the sky tonight. It rambles eastward in front of Taurus, nearly midway from Aldebaran, the bull's brightest star, and the horns, Elnath, and Zeta Tauri. Farther eastward, Mars is high in the south-southwest. Tonight, Mars passes Pollux for the third and final time in a triple conjunction. The gap from the red planet to the star is 4.0 degrees. The first Mars-Pollux conjunction occurred October 19 when Mars marched eastward. After Mars retrograde began on December 6, the second conjunction occurred on January 22. Retrograde ended on February 23, followed by tonight's third conjunction. The next Mars-Pollux conjunction occurs September 17, 2026, in the eastern pre-dawn sky. Mars continues to march eastward heading toward a pretty grouping with Cancer's Beehive star cluster beginning during early May. This is one of the last nights to look for dimmer celestial wonders as the moon brightens. Take a look through a binocular at the V of Taurus made by Aldebaran and the Hyades star cluster as well as the Pleiades star cluster. Find planet Uranus in the same binocular field with the Pleiades. After the moon leaves the early evening sky in about 2 weeks, the planet is too low in altitude, height above the horizon, for easy visibility until it clears morning twilight during the summer. Tonight, Jupiter sets after midnight, followed by Mars about 3 hours later and nearly 3 hours before sunrise. Tomorrow evening, look for a spectacular display of the moon and the Pleiades star cluster. Thank you for listening. Please read the articles at whenthecurveslineup.com.